Hi everyone, in this video I have created this eye look for DASHAMI that has a combo of pink and purple tones which can be worn at any time of the day. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So to start with this eye makeup, I have used Sugar Coat palette from Nicka, and with the first shade, that is this beautiful neon pink, I will start building up my crease shade, making sure that I start little by little. Once I have achieved my desired crease color, I will blend out the edges after each and every step. Then with this second shade, I will start deepening up my crease to give my hooded eye some depth. So starting from my outer corner, I will start dragging it towards the interior with a tapered blending brush from BH Cosmetics. Next, with this third shade, I will lightly blend out the edges of the pink to make it look soft and diffused, and also this will provide a very gradient effect. Did a half cut crease. After that, with this mesmerizing Duochrome lavender shade, I will apply it on the lid space with my finger itself, blending the edges of that Duochrome shade with pink, and after that creating some more depth with the shade I used to deepen my crease. Drawing a cute little winged eyeliner and making sure that my liner is very close to my upper lash line area. Tight lining my top and bottom lash line with a black kajal from Elle, a very affordable, budget friendly, black and long lasting one. Smoking my lower lash line using these two shades. Highlighting my inner tear duct area and the brow bone area with Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Applying some blush to the apples of my cheeks and tip of the nose. Also highlighting the highest points of the face like the cheekbone areas, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, chin and little bit on the forehead with the same Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Applied some false lashes and hiding the lash band with a black liner. Fixing the makeup in place with a makeup setting spray. Used my favorite liquid lipsticks from Belora Cosmetics, and after that blending it out with my finger itself, and then I have lined my lips to give it a precision, and here is the completed look.